I'm Tom from Do It Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the mango flavor of LaCroix sparkling water. And I really like the mango flavor. I like that it's got like a fruitiness to it, so you definitely know that it's a fruit flavor, but it doesn't almost, it's kind of just very kind of tropical taste. It doesn't almost taste like mango. I think if you didn't know it was mango and you tried it, you probably wouldn't be able to identify exactly what you were having. It just kind of has like this very kind of tropical type of flavor. And again, you can tell it's a fruit, but you probably wouldn't be able to know exactly which one. And I think that's probably a good thing. It doesn't taste like dried mango or something. It doesn't taste like the sort of fake mango flavor that you might find in a candy. I think it just has this little bit of sort of subtle, and I wonder if they've maybe, put in other kinds of tropical flavors as other notes on it. Again, they call these essences, so it's not exactly that it's the flavor of the fruit. It's sort of a suggestion of that fruit or that, whatever the flavor is that they're having, the citrus, whatever it is. In this case, it's sort of the suggestion of mango, but I think, as you can see with some of the other colors, they're trying to bring in just the element of a tropical type of feel in general. And it's weird because with mango, you would think it would be like bright orange or something, but actually it's got this green color to the can. Orange is just on the mango text, but the rest of it is not actually orange. So I think they're trying to create kind of the essence, like they say, of mango, and it just comes off as being this nice sort of fruity tropical type of flavor. Like all LaCroix beverages, it's 0 calories, 0 sweetener, 0 sodium. They call it innocent. And yeah, I like it. It's very summery, very nice if you are on a tropical island or if you'd like to be.